Indy car seats are typically custom-made to fit the specific needs and dimensions of the driver. The process of making an Indy car seat involves several steps. Number 1. Driver measurements. The first step is to take precise measurements of the driver's body to ensure a perfect fit. This may involve using a 3D scanner or taking manual measurements of various body parts, including the torso, hips, legs, and head. Number 2. Seat mold creation. Based on the driver's measurements, a mold is created to form the seat. The mold is usually made of fiberglass or carbon fiber composite materials. It is designed to replicate the driver's seating position and contours, providing optimal support and safety. Number 3. Composite layer. Once the mold is ready, layers of composite materials, such as carbon fiber or fiberglass, are carefully laid up inside the mold. These materials are known for their strength and lightweight properties, which are crucial for racing applications. Number 4. Resin infusion or vacuum bagging. The composite layers are infused with resin or placed inside a vacuum bag to ensure proper adhesion and consolidation. This process removes air and ensures uniform resin distribution throughout the layers. Number 5. Curing. The composite layup is then placed in an oven or heated chamber to cure the resin. Curing involves applying heat and pressure, allowing the resin to harden and bond with the composite materials. This step ensures the seat's structural integrity and durability. Number 6. Trimming and finishing. Once the composite seat has cured and solidified, it is removed from the mold. The excess material is trimmed, and any rough edges or imperfections are sanded or smoothed out. The seat is then prepared for final assembly. Number 7. Padding and upholstery. To enhance driver comfort, padding is added to the seat. This padding is often made of fire-retardant foam or specialized materials that provide both comfort and impact absorption. The seat may also be upholstered with a fire-resistant fabric or leather cover. Number 8. Installation and fitting. The finished seat is mounted inside the Indy car's cockpit, ensuring a secure and snug fit. Adjustments may be made to the seat's position and angle to accommodate the driver's preferences and optimize their driving posture. It's important to note that the specific details of Indy car seat manufacturing can vary among teams or manufacturers, but the general process outlined above provides an overview of how these seats are typically made. Safety is a top priority in motorsports, and the seats are designed to provide maximum protection to the drivers during high-speed races.